Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Either way, it's my birthday today, so let's do another birthday cake recipe. This time, we're gonna do a low carb or keto birthday cake, depending on what ingredients you use. And don't worry, you can add protein to it too. It's hard to satisfy everyone, but I think this recipe can get most of you. And if it doesn't, at least I'm allowed to cry on my birthday. Now, let's get into this keto birthday cake recipe. Start this one with a large bowl. Add into that bowl 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or coconut oil, 1/4 cup of milk substitute, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of erythritol, 1½ cups of almond flour, 1 scoop of optional vanilla protein powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Mix all of those together until smooth. Next, take out a cake pan. Line it with some parchment paper or non-stick cooking spray, and bake your cake on 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes or until it looks like this. Every good cake needs an equally good frosting. So let's make that good frosting. Take out a bowl and mix together 6 ounces of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of butter until it starts to look fluffy like this. Next, add in 1/3 cup of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 scoop of optional vanilla protein powder, and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix those together until it looks like frosting or you cave and start licking the mixer. This frosting is delicious, and when you spread it over the whole cake, it really doesn't hurt the macros too much. You can change it up by using full, reduced, or fat-free cream cheese. I include all the calorie variations on my website, theproteinchef.co, which I always link to below. If you didn't eat all of your frosting, go ahead and spread it over your future keto birthday cake. Top that cake with whatever you want. Today I'm using sprinkles because they look good in pictures, and well, because I like sprinkles. Cut your cake, serve it to yourself, and enjoy your birthday without having to sing to yourself or camera like I did. With that said, how about a birthday giveaway? I also think I'm gonna start doing giveaways every video until all the stuff I have for giveaways is gone. Seems simple, right? Anyways, to win this giveaway, let's make it easy. If you wish me happy birthday below, type birthday first and happy second. Birthday, happy. Will confuse some and you might win this shaker right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the full recipe and nutrition with option to scale it on theproteinchef.co below. Like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.